channel. It's your girl Jay. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the Jaybird fam. Gang. Also, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a wonderful, delicious, delectable video. Also, if you like what you're seeing on this video, please hit that like button, thumbs me up or thumbs me down. It depends on you. And share on all your social media sites if you feel so inclined to do so. And if you like to talk to me. I talk back. I love to chop it up. So today, guys, we're going to do a review. A French fry review. So I have fries from 3 different fast food restaurant chains. I have, let me put down some paper towels. So I have fries, like I said, from 3 different fast food chains. I have fries from Jack in the Box, as we like to call it down here, Jack in the Crack. I have fries from Mickey D's, McDonald's. And as you can see, they barely even wanted to put some in there. They barely wanted to put some fries in my thing. But you know, that's where I got it from. This is a few more that's in here. That's how I do. And I have fries from Burger King. And everybody gave me ketchup. I don't eat ketchup. I don't like my food sweet. So I'm not going to eat them. I'll show you what I brought to dip it with in a moment. And as you can see, the Burger King fries look totally different than the fries from the size, rather. I mean, they're all mediums. All medium-sized fries. Okay, and we're going to be eating this with some ranch dressing and mayonnaise. This is how I eat my fries. Okay, so each fries make Jack in the Box was like $2.40 something. McDonald's was $2.37, and Burger King was like $2 something as well. Drink water mixed, and I'm gonna pour this in it. Just a quick little review to come by, chop it up with you guys. See how y'all doing today on this good old Tuesday. $2 Tuesday, as they say. So yeah, we're going to do a review on fries. Let's just see if we can stand them up. Yes, they're standing. Barely. So that's what we're doing today. A review on fries to see who's the better. As you can see, Jack in the Box and Burger King is trying to fill theirs up while McDonald's barely want to give you fries. But for some reason, these are my favorite fries. So let's get to going. Let's taste a McDonald's fry with no nothing. And they're not fresh. So They're not fresh at all. I know the Burger Kings are because he told me to go up and wait because he making me some fresh fries. Pretty good. So far, they all taste pretty much the same. Like they're pretty good. The fries. So how you guys doing today? That was ranch. I just got off work. Just made it in. Stopped and got some fries to do a review. I don't care how tight you tie the bags down or roll them down, the fries are not going to stay hot. And that's just real. Mayo, because nobody fries hot. And again, I know these were fresh. And as long as it took them for these were too. But yeah, I just got off from work. Trying to figure out what I could eat. I'm supposed to be doing that baked potato, but that's gonna have to be this weekend because I have too much to do to get it ready and then record. So it'll be real late by the time I go to bed, and I don't want nothing that heavy on my stomach that this late at night. So yeah, we're gonna lay those down. They don't want to stand up. They good though, even though they not all the way hot again no more like I was when I first got them. I don't know if the McDonald's fries was ever hot, or I mean, they wasn't freshly cooked like these two were. So how y'all day go? Mine was pretty good. Pretty good. 10-hour shift. I'm gonna get a haircut this weekend. Cause ooh, my hair up a hot mess. Retwist my hair up. So what you guys got planned for Valentine's Day? I don't know. I'm not real sure. I think it's nothing for me. Not real sure though how it's gonna go. Mm-hmm. It's still tasty. I prefer these two over this one though. These are pretty thick cut. So they would have to definitely be hot. Completely fresh, hot, eat right then. Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm not talking too much today. I'm kind of tired. I'm okay though. I'm kind of tired. So what y'all eat y'all fries with other than ketchup? Y'all just do ketchup? I don't like sweet food, so I'm not into ketchup. Never have been. I wonder, I heard somebody has some spicy ketchup or some kind of ketchup. I wonder what I like that. I wonder if it's not just sweet. Mmm. That's good though. I'm not gonna even lie. You know, I started to get some curly fries, but with from Jack in the Box, but you can't compare curly fries with regular fries. They're just a whole thing by themselves. So I was like, let me just get some regular fries. Love some papas. Out of these three brands, companies, which do y'all prefer? I don't know why I got a feeling everybody's gonna say McDonald's. Who fries do you prefer? I mean, because in comparison, this is Jack in the Box. This is McDonald's. Pretty much look alike, don't they? Pretty much. And this is Burger King's. Thicker cut. But they pretty much look alike for as the tint of the color. And, you know, they pretty much look like they the same fry, just a thicker cut. And they're actually crispier than the, still kind of crispy. So, yeah. And the price was about around the same. for a medium fry for all three places. Yeah. I know I'm not talking today, y'all, but don't worry. When I come with this next video, we gonna chop it up. I didn't have a topic or anything for today. And it's already at 16 minutes, so I'm probably gonna end it in a few minutes. But this is not intended to be a long video. So, mm-hmm. So which is your favorite? I started to stop at Popeyes and get some regular fries from them too. I already know Popeyes would have blown them right on out the water, all of them. Popeyes chicken, their fries, yes. And some red beans and rice. Oh, Jesus. So comment down below if it's something you would like to watch me eat in particular, or would like to see me eat. Need some ideas, what you guys want to see. Because I can eat seafood all the time, but I don't want to just bore y'all with that all the time. So, if you have any suggestions or something you would like to see me enjoy, then comment down below. Don't forget to tell me which one is your favorite. Who do you prefer fries from out of these three companies? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my video and what you think. And share. Yeah, share. All right, guys. Well, it's been a pleasure, and I want to thank you guys for rocking with your girl once again and coming by and giving me some love, showing me some love on my channel. I love you, Jaybird. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome to the Jaybird flock. We love you. And again, thank you, and you guys have a wonderful, beautiful day or night.